What have I done to my TV? Well, got some bad parts on this convergence board here I'm gonna replace. Or at least attempt to. See how it goes. Well, right here I have the convergence board out of the big screen. And this is supposed to be the culprit right here. These STK modules apparently go bad. It's apparently an extremely common problem, not only in Hitachi sets. But this is an STK 392-110, and let's look at one of the new chips here. And we got a new STK 392-110. And they included some of the convergence resistors in case some of these are the ones on the board are bad, but they said, in the kit it said don't replace them unless they look bad, and they don't look bad. So I've seen some bad resistors in my day, and all of these look really good. So a little dirty, but other than that they look good. So I'm gonna just leave them alone, I think. We'll see what, I might go ahead and test them. We'll see what happens. First STK module is soldered in place. Got this left one done first. This one on the right is going to be a little harder because it's got some kind of a little jumper wire, tracer wire. An idiot me should have turned Pandora down before I made this segment of the video. Well, let's go ahead and do this. Focus. I don't know if this has a macro mode or not, but see, not the best soldering in the world, but no bridges, and they appear to be pretty solid. They're all shiny. The worst part is all the flux around there, and I don't have flux removers, so kind of screwed there. But as long as it makes contact and doesn't short, we should be good. TV's back together. Gotta come around. Ouch! The other side. I just gotta put the front grill, which is right up there on the couch. Then I'm gonna roll it into the family room, get it all hooked up, and then get the convergence dialed in. Check it out. The big old honking TV is working. Too bad this channel only puts out 4x3, but unfortunately I don't have an HDTV tuner, and even the cheap Chinese ones are just way overpriced right now. But still, replace a couple chips. It's been damn near forever last night. Adjusting the convergence, and I still don't have it in perfect, but I have it. I've got a decent picture. I was watching Mythbusters streaming via Netflix last night, and the crazy thing, this TV takes 1080p off my DVD or my Blu-ray player. So tell me that isn't cool. Turn that down more so I don't have to shout. Goodness gracious. But there's my TV stand in the middle of the messy kitchen. Need to clean it up. If a messy kitchen is a happy kitchen, and this one's overjoyed. And then over there by the box fan and the old Magnavox, in a very happy living room that I intend to clean up, is the JVC. That was a good TV too, and it still is. So, but I need to get some stands for my left and right speakers. Those are just paint cans, which is what I had them propped up on behind the old entertainment center. I need to get something taller, because in home theater your tweeters need to be within 6 to 12 inches. Preferably on a perfect line across, so I need to bring them up at least another foot. Since I don't have an entertainment center, I'm using a cardboard box reinforced with duct tape. So that'll fix everything. They'll hold this stack of stuff. And the yogurt containers, as well as providing isolation for the turntable, also gives ventilation for the receiver and gives me a little room for my Behringer phono preamplifier. And then down here on this inverted tub, I've got my VCR, my Blu-ray player, my DTV tuner, and my amplified antenna power supply. And I've got a huge mess of wires back there, but oh well, it's mostly hidden. I need to buy some longer cables for all this, because it's all not together anymore like it was. But hey, curbside discount television, and a fair bit of money later to replace the Convergence chips and dial into Convergence. I have a 55-inch widescreen now. That's pretty sweet if you ask me. And yeah, those are the same subs I was using before on my home theater. I definitely have some upgrades I need to do. I need a little better receiver eventually, HDTV tuner. Like to get me some side surround speakers so I can run 7.1, because this room is so nicely laid out for it. But I'm sure you're tired of watching the weather and listening to me talk, so so let's see here. And I got my Laserdisc player hooked up, though I don't have any Laserdiscs to watch. But I just thought it'd be cool to have.